Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Coming to you from Princeton, West Virginia. Had a conversation with a buddy of mine who I'm going to be taking on, getting him into a little bit of an exercise thing. He's in his mid to late 40s, and he knows he needs to get going. He needs to do something. The guy is an athlete, is very, to me, perceptually, he seemed like he was in really good shape. To him, he was not in enough good shape to do his thing. And I reminded him that he's coming up on milestones, and we're always coming up on milestones. So I gave him this little tip because when I get back from our trip, I'm going to start with some student friends at the university, what I call Big Lift Saturday. And I said, you want to be part of this Big Lift Saturday? And he said, yeah, I want to be part of Big Lift Saturday. I said, okay, fine. You got to hit some deliverables before you can come into this gym, because I don't want you to embarrass yourself in front of these students who can fucking get it done. Here's the deal. I need you to be able to do 50 push-ups in a row by the time I get back, which is about 4 or 5 weeks. So if he can do that, if he can take this goal on, and if he can take me on as being a fucking in-your-face drill sergeant motherfucker, which he did, and I tell people this, when I work with you, I am going to be a hard-ass motherfucker because I want you to be successful. I'm not going to fuck around and play. We are going to get shit done. So accept it, or it's fine. Either way, I don't fucking care. It's like, if you want in, I'll let you in, but be for real here. I am going to be in your grill. So anyways, he took it on. I said, take a couple of days to think about it. It took him about, 30 seconds before he said, I want in, I want you, I need you to get in my face. What people need are accountability partners. So set yourself a little goal, mini goals to get going. I said, do 10 push-ups 5 times a day. That'll get you your 50. That'll help you get going with everything, whatever you got to do. Consider all of these things. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life, from the road, baby. Princeton, West Virginia, on our way all over the fucking place. It's crazy. And I'll be sending you more videos here. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out. Love y'all. I'm Papa Tom. It's all good.